Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the content language for post and content in the LinkedIn mobile application on your Android. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to your account on the LinkedIn mobile app and tap into that profile icon in the top left corner. And from here guys, tap into settings, and what you want to do after that is look for the content language feature, because there is a difference between content language and interface language. For example, interface language will simply change the language of your application's interface. So what you want to do is simply navigate to account preferences here at the top, and to change the language of your content, guys, simply tap into content language here under general preferences, and that is going to give you the opportunity to tap into change here next to the default content language, which is English. You may add also more content languages by tapping into add languages at the bottom. So let me do that really quickly. And that is going to allow you, for example, to select the languages you would like to see in your post, or in other words, to see posts on your home feed in the given or selected language like German, Spanish, French, Italian, and so on and so forth. And that's it, guys. Simply tap into the given language, and these changes will then be saved automatically. You may return to the previous menu and these changes will then be applied. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.